This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Drive app. Usually it comes pre-installed with the system, but if that is not true in your particular case, just download and install this app for free from the Play Store. So now launch the Drive app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. In my case, as you can see, some random, or well, not entirely random, but still some additional verification is required. So I will quickly type in my Google password, click next, and finally I can proceed with the scanning procedure. So while at the app, tap at this plus sign to your bottom right, choose the scan option from the list, grant Drive the camera access and permission, and after the camera interface gets launched, just take the document that you wanted to take or to make a scan of and try to shoot as good picture as, and try to shoot as, just whatever, try your best to shoot a good picture. I'll rephrase it a little. So try to make sure that your photo of your document is straight, properly aligned. Then proceed. Once at this interface, you can crop the image. As you can see, the automatic crop did me dirty and did not crop my document correctly whatsoever. So while manually reframe the document, what is inside this blue frame will result in the final PDF file that we are about to make. So well, make sure that you have included everything that you want. Additionally, you can change the color scheme for your future scan, for your future scan/document. I'll leave it at black and white. Then hit the save button. In here, you can rename your file if you want to. I'll rename it to some gibberish like so, and change the Google account and Drive folder that it will be saved to as well. Now hit the save button one last time. Wait for the file of yours to get uploaded to Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.